Hey guys, what's up? It's Keith back here again. We are at the Porsche Museum in Stuttgart, Germany. This is an incredible piece of history. This is Porsche 911 Turbo number 1, the first production model. It was made for Porsche's daughter. You can see, want to pause the video, you can read the text there, for her 70th birthday. And it's special because of the plaid or tartan interior and narrow body. It didn't get the wide arches. The engine cover displays Carrera instead of turbo as well, which is very interesting. That's how it was ordered and built for her. It's the first one ever. Major piece of automotive history, guys. Wow. Not sure how I feel about the graphics here. Never been a fan of plaid. Looks Scottish almost, but hey, there you go. 911 Turbo number 1. So cool. If you can make it to Stuttgart, I'll tell you what, the trip is worth it just for the Mercedes and the Porsche factory tours and museum tours. All right, guys, I gotta get going. I've got a lot of videos to do for you all. So let me go and I'll be back. If you're new to the channel, click like, click subscribe. It's totally free, costs you nothing. And you're gonna get to see some really cool cars from all around the world. All right. Let me go. I will be back in another video just after this. Later, guys.